Okay, hello and welcome back everyone. I'm Kevin from KevMC. I still haven't cut my mouth, which means that I'm not gonna be talking that clearly there. But today, what I have in front of me is a Sony 18 to 55mm f 3.5 to 5.6. Now this has some disgusting shit in there because it has a filter which has detached itself from the filter housing, and now it's rubbing on the optic. And also this thing is dented, that's why the filter is out of place, which means that I'll have to remove the filter thingy, the thread, to actually get the filter out and use the lens again like normal. So let me go show you how I usually do this. Let's try focus. This is like the second time I've recorded this, yeah, cause I mean it's intro bit, cause I always think that the what you call this thing, the record button on the A6400 is like the zoom in, which it's obviously not, yeah, and that's why I'll have to repeat sometimes. So this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna first try and make this guy straight if I can, yeah. Because the more straight your filter is, the more of a possibility you'll have to like get it to working condition again. Just make sure you're like pulling on the filter itself and not on the like glass, and that your pliers are not going to be pushing on the bottom plastic filter of the lens itself. The filter ring has cracked, okay, which means that this thing has had some quite big impact to actually have that happen, yeah. And this is still not moving, so let's see, maybe we can just like squish this or like crack this thing off essentially. Should be possible there. So it's like opening a can where you like wiggle it and it just cracks. See? Okay, yeah. Now this bit's cracked off. Let's try and pull this thing off again. Not working. Okay. I do not want to cut this thing in half here, but if I have to, I will. So let's see what we can do with this. So let's see. No screws on the side of this. Okay. Maybe we'll have to. This thing is done in like this. So that means that it went in, and these two sides shot outward. Ah, shit, my hands. Okay, let's try using some rubber there to actually help. Oh, fucking hell. That's not gonna work, my hands are red as fuck. Okay, so this means that I will have to use this and push this thing on the bottom. But I still think that that'll be a bit bad because this thing is a plastic lens, and plastic does not work well when you torque it because it will crack. So what else can I do here? This thing's buckled in, which means that this thing has done this. So you wanna probably push these things in. Let's try using some vice grips, yeah. Now what you see in my channel is random cases I get day by day, so not like some other channels where they actually do it. This thing I bought from someone, yeah, so I do not know what the heck happened to it and why it's like this right now. So that's why this is not that easy to do. So you want to try grip this and grip this. And sort of like push it in. And then now let's try twisting it again, yeah. Ah, shit, not working still. Let's try torquing squishing the sides, like one side at a time. So one this, one over here, squish it. Cool. And squish this. Shit. Things slip. At least I don't have to care about the filter anymore, yeah, because the optic is not in there anymore, and that's why I do not have to care that much. See, you can just let this thing slip. Just don't damage the side, because that's what you don't want to damage. Fuck. Okay, and this shit. At least I'm not hitting the front element, which is a good thing, yeah. That's the last time I wanna hit. Fuck. Okay. This is like the most unprofessional way to do it ever, man. But ah, shit, stop. Okay. Fuck this lens, man. I actually built this thing. What the fuck? Oh shit, my hands. Okay. This is not going out easily, yeah. Let's try and wreck the ring then. If that is what it wants. So let's try and actually pull the sides off here. So like twist it like this, and then hopefully it just buckles under the pressure, yeah. Promise there's still a glass in there, so I might have to smash the glass. But by smashing the glass, you actually increase the what you call this thing? Likelihood that you actually like fuck up the inside glass, which is not a good thing, yeah. So let's try and squish this side. Then just snaps the ring off, man. What the heck? Let's peel the ring off then. Let's see what will happen if I peel it off. This, peel off this. Then once you peel the ring off, let's see what I can do with this ring. I might be able to like pull this ring. Wait, let's try and peel this front off. I'm pretty sure I can open it up with the ring essentially peeled off. So this is not how you save your filter, yeah? If you want to save your filter, don't chop it. But your filter is there to protect your lens. That's if you use a filter, I do not use filters on my lenses. This is not my personal lens, and that's why I did not have a say in like whether or not to use a filter, and this guy obviously did, and this is maybe the best outcome, because like considering the fact that you might have chopped your lens and broke it on in the process, yeah, while breaking the filter is not such a bad thing to do, because filters are cheap. So once you've done that, you want to like squish the sides, I believe, yeah. Squish this side. Squish this side. Okay. Squish this side. Squish this side. Shit. The most important thing is that you don't like squish the lens ring itself, because then you're in deep shit. So just only squish the filter itself. Can you actually see me doing this? You might have missed the initial parts here, but here you go. So this, do this. And I'm very sorry that today my workplace is a bit more messy and a bit more shitty, because this is my like essentially keyboard tear down place, which is not where I usually work on optics. This should be out, man. Let's continue for a while. And you shouldn't have a lens without a filter. There we go. It's budging, it's making noises, and that usually means that. There you go, nice. You have a 49mm filter saver, a 49mm filter, and a lens which has some blemish in the middle there. Let me try cleaning that if I can. See, and it is clean. Nice little lens. Good job, lens. No more sound. No shit, man. And what the heck, man? No fungi. Nice. I thought this would be like fungi for days, man, but no, nothing. It's clean. The back has like a fucking fingerprint, but let's try wiping the back also, yeah. I believe the back is clean. Let's see if my belief is correct. See how clean I wipe this thing? Quite clean. Not a bit of fungi. Nice. There's quite a lot of oil, but once I've wiped it, the oil is a bit more like distributed, like flatly essentially, and so nothing. No fungi. No shit, man. So thank you for watching, and goodbye. Hopefully you fix your own filter.